It's not a question of trying to substitute plastics for other materials in all applications, certainly not. Plastics bring immense societal benefit. Yes, it is a case of not using plastic where it's unnecessary. And, if I give an example of that, I think of a free toy that might be given away with a hamburger without the consumer asking for it in the first place. So there is a role for reducing the use of plastics, and that could also be, in some applications, in the quantity of plastic that's used. You can think of the sometimes considered excessive wrappings around some kinds of gifts, where more plastic is perhaps used than is necessary to do the job. But equally, there becomes a point where you reach diminishing returns, where actually designing for end-of-life recyclability may require a certain amount of plastic component and a certain types of constituents to make it valuable in a circular economy.